scissor liner hack.
You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me.
Nigga, I be spiked out. I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from. Hey.
How blush can change your face shape. Lift to shorten face. Enhance cheekbones. Add fullness. Sun kiss. Makeup tips. I wish I knew sooner. Eyes addition. Brown shadow. Inner liner shape to lift eyes. Cutting lashes. Following the middle of my pupil. Then blending my natural lashes with mascara. Line waterline with nude eye pencil at the edge for eyes to look more open. Trying viral blush technique.
I saw this Q-tip hack for perfect lip corners and you know I had to try it. So I went in with my liquid lipstick and applied it throughout, and it's okay if you get it on the Q-tip itself based on other people that I've seen do this. So now it's time for the big reveal, and oh my gosh, those lip corners, they're perfect.
Like an Alakazam, I heard from a friend of a friend that
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype. Throw that to
no, hey, low, baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot. Inferno, baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot. Oh.
I saw this hack that you can contour your nose using your tweezers. That is not a bad hack. I'm definitely gonna do this again.